this video, let us discuss linear differential equations with non-constant coefficients, the Cauchy-Euler equation. Before watching the further video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Now let us continue with the video. So here, let the differential equation. What is the differential equation given here? A2x square into d square y by dx square plus a1x into dy by dx plus a0 into y, which is equals to q of x. This equation we are considering as equation 1. Now, where a2, a1 and a0 are real constants. Here, a2, a1 and a0 are real constants and q of x. Q of x is a function of x. So here q of x is a function of x. So which is called Cauchy-Euler linear equation. This is called as Cauchy-Euler linear equation. Now let us discuss this Cauchy-Euler equation stepwise. So here, coming to step 1, write the operator form for equation 1. What we have to do? We have to write the operator form for this equation 1 and substitute in the place of d by dx capital D. We have to substitute a capital D here. Then a2 x square d square. In the place of d by dx, what we are substituting? Capital D. So a2 x square d square plus a1 x into d plus a0 of y. We are writing this equation 1 in operator form. So what we are taking here? Y common. So a2 x square d square plus a1 x into d plus a0 of whole y, which is equals to q of x as it is. Now we are considering this equation as equation 2. Now coming to step 2 here. Now what we have to substitute? X equals to e power z. So that implies here z equals to log x and also xt equals to theta, comma x square d square equals to theta into theta minus 1, comma x cube d cube equals to theta into theta minus 1 into theta minus 2, so on. And substitute equation, and we have to substitute all these in equation 2. Then we get a2 into x square d square means theta into theta minus 1 plus a1 xd means theta here, theta plus a0 as it is into whole of y, which is equals to q of x. What is x here? E power z, q of e power z. So this is a linear equation with the constant coefficient. This is a linear equation with the constant coefficient. And then solve the above equation by previous method. Then and what we have to do? We have to solve the above equation, this equation by previous method. That is by finding auxiliary equation, particular integral, and also what we have to find? General solution. Next, coming to step 3 here. Substitute. After finding the general solution, what we have to do? Again we have to substitute z equals to log x to get the required solution. Again we have to substitute z equals to log x. So this is about the Cauchy-Euler equation. Now let us discuss few examples based on this method. Now let us solve x square y double dash minus xy dash plus 2y equals to x. Here given x square y double dash minus xy dash plus 2y equals to x. This given equation we have to consider as equation 1. Now according to step 2, what we have to do? We have to write this given equation in operator form, and also we have to substitute d by dx equals to capital D. Now operator form, x square dy by dx can be written as capital D. So here x square y double dash means d square y by dx square. So x square into d square minus x into d plus 2 into, we have to take here y common, which is equals to x. Now we have to consider this equation as equation 2. And now according to step 2, we have to substitute x equals to e power z. That implies here z equals to log x, comma xd equals to theta, comma x square d square equals to theta into theta minus 1, where theta equals to d by dz. Here theta equals to d by dz. So we have to substitute all these values in equation 2. Then we get that implies here x square d square equals to theta into theta minus 1 minus what is xg here? Xg equals to theta plus 2 into whole of y, which is equals to what is x? X equals to e power z. So that implies here theta into theta, theta square minus theta into 1, theta minus theta plus 2 into y as it is equals to e power z. So now theta square minus theta, how much? Minus 2 theta plus 2 into y as it is equals to e power z as it is. Now consider this equation as equation 3. So this equation 3 is a linear equation with the constant coefficients. After this, what we have to do? We have to solve this equation 3 by previous method. It is by finding auxiliary equation, particular integral, and also we have to find general solution. Now let us find auxiliary equation first. Now auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. Then so theta square means m square minus 2m plus 2 equals to 0. So now we are writing this equation 3 in the form of auxiliary equation. So then it becomes m square minus 2m plus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this equation by using this formula. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that implies here what is b here? Minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus or minus under root of b square means minus 2 whole square minus 4 into what is a here? M square means 1. 1 into what is c here? 2 by 2 into what is a? What is the value of a? 1. So that implies here minus into minus plus 2 plus or minus here under root of minus 2 whole square means minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4 minus 4 2s are 4 into 1 into 2 means 8, 4 2s are 8 minus 8 by 2 into 1 2. That implies here 2 plus or minus under root of 4 minus 8, how much? Under root of minus 4 by 2. So that implies here 2 plus or minus under root of minus 4 can be written as 2i by 2. That implies here we have to take here 2 common. 2 into, we are taking here 2 common. 1 plus or minus I by 2 as it is. Here both 2's will be cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 plus or minus I. So this is the root of this equation. 1 plus or minus I. This is the root of the equation. So here roots are imaginary. Then what is the complementary function? Therefore complementary function yc equals to e power z into c1 cos z plus c2 sin z. So after finding the complementary function, what we have to find? Particular integral. Now particular integral yp equals to 1 by theta square minus 2 theta plus 2 into e power z, which is equals to 1 by this here theta equals to xd. That implies here theta equals to d means capital D equals to d by dx. So x into d by dx. So that implies here theta equals to differentiation of x. How much? 1. So here theta equals to 1. So in the place of theta we have to substitute 1. So here theta square means 1 square minus 2 into theta means 1 plus 2 as it is into e power z, which is equals to 1 by 1 minus 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into e power z. So here minus 2 plus 2 both are cancelled, which is equals to 1 by 1 means 1 only. So that implies here yp equals to 1 into e power z. How much e power z? So what is particular integral here? Particular integral equals to e power z. Now therefore the general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies here y equals to, what is yc? E power z into c1 cos z plus c2 sin z plus, what is yp? E power z. Now according to step 3 of Cauchy-Euler equation, we have to substitute here. In place of e power z, x we have to substitute. So y equals to x into c1 cos z means log x. In the place of z, what we have to substitute? Log x plus c2 sin of log x plus e power z means x. So this is the required solution. Now let us solve one more example. So solve x square y double dash minus xy dash plus y equals to 2 log x. So here given x square y double dash minus xy dash plus y equals to 2 log x. This we are considering as equation 1. Now we have to write this equation 1 in the operator form. X square, so that implies here, what we will get here? X square d square minus xd plus 1 into whole of y equals to 2 log x as it is. Now we are considering this equation as equation 2. Now substitute x equals to e power z, so that implies here z equals to log x, comma xd equals to theta, comma x square d square equals to theta into theta minus 1, where theta equals to d by dz in equation 2. Then we get, so we have to substitute all these values in equation 2. Then what we will get? X square d square means theta into theta minus 1 minus xd means xd equals to theta plus 1 as this into y equals to, so here log x means z equals to log x. In the place of log x, what we have to substitute? Z. So which is equals to 2z. So that implies here theta into theta, theta square minus theta into 1 theta minus theta as it is plus 1 into y equals to 2z. That implies here theta square minus theta, how much? Minus 2 theta plus 1 into y as it is equals to 2z. So now we have to consider this equation as equation 3. So this is a linear equation with the constant coefficients. So this equation 3 is a linear equation with the constant coefficients. And after that we have to find auxiliary equation. Now auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. So that implies here we have to write this in the form of auxiliary equation. So what we will get here? M square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0. Now we have to find roots for this equation. So that implies, so this equation is in the form of m minus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0. Now this can be written as m minus 1 whole square means m minus 1 into m minus 1, which is equals to 0. So that implies here m equals to 1 comma 1. So these are the roots of the equation. So these are the roots for this equation. What are the roots? M equals to 1 comma 1. Therefore, what is the complementary function? Y is equals to e power z into c1 plus c2z, because here roots are real. After finding complementary function, what we have to find? Particular integral. Particular integral yp equals to 1 by theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into 2z. So which is equals to 2 into, first here 2 into 1 by, this can be written as 1 plus theta square minus 2 theta into z. Here 2 into 1 by 1 plus theta square minus 2 theta into z, which is equals to 2 into, this can be written as 1 plus theta square minus 2 theta whole inverse into z. So it is in the form of binomial theorem. So it can be written as 2 into 1 minus theta square minus 2 theta plus theta square minus 2 theta whole square minus so on into z. Now we have to multiply with this z. So 1 into z, z minus theta square into 2 theta into z plus theta square minus 2 theta whole square into z minus so on which is equals to 2 into z minus, since here theta equals to d by dz. So since here theta equals to d by dz, so here double differentiation of z means how much here? 0. 0 minus 2 into theta means d by dz. d by dz of z means here 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 plus, after differentiating this whole part with respect to z, we will get 0 here. So plus 0. So which is equals to 2 into z minus into minus how much? Plus 2. So that implies here yp equals to 2 into z, 2z plus 2 2s are 4. So what is particular integral here? Yp equals to 2z plus 4. After finding particular integral, what we have to find? General solution. Therefore, general solution is y equals to yc plus yp. So that implies here y equals to, what is yc? E power z into c1 plus c2z plus yp. What is yp? 2z plus 4. That implies y equals to, now we have to substitute in the place of e power z, we have to substitute x. So here y equals to x into c1 plus c2. What is z? Z equals to log x. c2 log x plus 2 into log x. Z equals to, since here z equals to log x plus 4. So this is the solution. With this we have completed Cauchy-Euler equation.